you're gonna want 2 egg whites and the sugar in here, and you're going to cook it on top of the boiling water. So you're gonna first start off with, they call it a bain-marie. So you're gonna put your bowl with sugar and egg whites over a simmering pot of water, and you're just gonna stir this until the sugar dissolves. So in a while you'll see me check it, and I'll rub it between my fingers. At first, the first couple times there was still sugar. So yeah, you just keep doing it until you have the dissolved sugar. If you know how to make meringue, it's the same thing. That's basically what I'm making here. And if you have a thermometer and you know the temperature, that's even better. So now I'm just pouring the mixture into my mixer, and I'm gonna whip it up until it becomes really fluffy. So I did stop it at almost stiff peaks, but I would recommend doing it more at soft peaks, just because when I did put it on top of the milk, it was too thick to stir in at first. But as I did let it sit a little bit, it kind of seeped in and it was more stirrable. So either way is fine, but it's probably easier more at a soft peak consistency. Yeah, so I'd stop about here. You see it's stiff enough, but it's still soft, so you can mix it really well. The way I ended it was too thick. And so now you want to divvy it up in between how many, I guess, cups you're going to use. So I use 3 bowls for 3 different drinks. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the amount of matcha powder, chai powder, and chocolate powder that I want. You guys can use anything, to be honest. I wanted to try chai and it worked perfectly. And you don't have to follow the amounts I put it to how it tastes best for you, because I noticed it gets stronger or not stronger, so just make it how you like it. For the chocolate, I'm using Nesquik powder. It's very easy to mix in. And then the chai is from Trader Joe's. And then I'm using matcha powder I got from work. Since we're closed, we were able to take a bunch of stuff home. So yeah. And for the fun part, we're going to put it in the glass. So start with putting some ice cubes in, and then you're going to put your milk. I'm sure you can make this hot too. I don't know if it would melt the meringue though. Sorry, my raspy voice, I just woke up. So yeah, go ahead and put your ice cubes, pour the milk like halfway, just to make some room for your cream. Like so. My dog's waiting to eat. She's sitting right here. I was most excited about the matcha one, but honestly, I think the chocolate and the chai one were pretty good. The matcha was good too, but the other ones were actually really good. Better than I thought. So yeah, just doll it on there. Okay, so let's try the green tea one first. Really good. Okay, that's really good. Okay, let me try the next one. Okay. Chai. Oops. Cup is small. The chai one was a little more hard to stir because it was, for some reason, it was thicker than the other ones, even though they were all the same. That's really good. So I recommend not making it so thick because it's a little hard to stir in. But if you make it like the first time I showed you guys when I said soft peaks, I think that would be perfect. But it tastes really good. This one's better. Sorry for me not even talking at all. It's because people are here and again, I feel weird talking, but the chocolate one I think was one of my favorites. Here I'm just stirring them so you guys can see kind of how the consistency was after it sat for a while. I forgot to do the chai one, that's why there's only two, but it looked the same. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you try it, go ahead and let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, till next time, guys. Bye.